I am Hani. I am a cabin crew. Gusto mo bang maging katulad ko? Huwag kang mag-alala. Bibigyan kita ng tips. Anak na! Kailangan ba magaling sa English? Don't worry. Script is ready. Also, practice makes perfect. Height requirements. For males, 5'6" is okay. And for females, if you're 5'3" like me, pasok yan. Tattoos? Yes, pwede as long as hindi visible sa uniform ng gusto mong airline. Oops, wait! Make sure na pasok sa healthy BMI ang weight mo. Good set of teeth and a pleasant personality. Pwede bang malabo ang mata at may salamin? Pwede. At alam niyo ba, may certain airline na rin na tumatanggap ng mga transgender. Kaya huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa, mga be. So are you ready? Hope to fly with you soon.